This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so I have installed Jenkins just now only.
Okay.
Instance. Okay,
Okay.
so I copied this IP address and I have given this IP address and 8080. So I
Okay.
installed suggested plugins. Meanwhile, you are joining. Okay, so I'll create a
Okay.
username.
The port number you are changing, right? The port number changing, what is the path of the file? The 8080 port number to change
Slash
the
etc
8080.
sysconfig Jenkins.
Okay.
Slash
Slash etc
slash
sysconfig Jenkins.
etc
Okay.
sysconfig Jenkins. So the path
Okay.
you have to remember it is okay.
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 I'll note down in a notepad.
Okay, no problem. I'll give you this notepad also about that how which one you have to remember.
Okay. The history commands will be helpful for me here.
Yeah. Okay. Sujit, Sujit, Sujit. Okay. Save and continue.
Okay.
Again asking. If I use the connection. What?
So you're connecting from Git.
I'm connecting for only this one, Jenkins only.
Okay. You're using Git to connect, right?
Git bash.
Using Git
Yes,
instead of putty. Okay.
yes.
So you have the PEM file. Where you have the PEM file? Did you download it or
Yeah, I have
in the down?
downloaded. So I downloaded in download. I directly went to
Okay.
download and I given right
Okay.
click here. Git
Okay.
bash. Select it.
Oh,
The
okay.
already so Git bash will take you in, thrown you in this path directly. Then you
Oh,
can
which
select
location? You
command.
no need to change the location. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So where it is? I just Within a 5 minutes only, I lost connectivity. Let's set it. So now we are in the Jenkins dashboard. Okay.
Okay.
So as we discussed that this is the dashboard and the new item freestyle job. Okay. What I'll do, I'll fill sample 1 2 3. Okay.
Okay. Freestyle. Okay.
Yeah, I selected a sample 1 2 3 job. So all whatever the
Okay.
jobs you will creating in that Jenkins dashboard, those will be shown in your Jenkins welcome page of dashboard only. Okay, it will show you here how
Okay.
many
Okay.
jobs are present here. You can select
Okay.
this
Okay.
job. Okay, so
Okay.
configure job. So here are the 6 tabs there. It's a general job that is not selecting from the any repositories or code commits. We are just giving it directly here using the whatever the options are present in this general. Okay.
Okay.
Source code management
So
is where you can select or pull the code from the remote
Git. Right?
repositories. Git, like Git, Bitbucket, okay, GitLab,
GitLab,
GitHub.
all those things, right? Okay.
Yeah, GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket, and build triggers are
Whether these all three are similar only, or
what?
the GitLab, Git, all three work similar, or it's any different?
Those are
Big
some
Wicket, all those
kind
things.
of different. GitLab is that where you use in company network. Okay, GitHub is where it is the
Okay.
remote repository which is storing not in local. All are pushing the code into the GitHub.
GitHub. Okay.
Okay, that is some kind of architecture master slave only. So there's a distributed system.
Okay. So the Git Bash is called as local,
Git
and
Bash is
GitHub is
yeah. GitLab, Git Bash, GitLab. Why when you're doing the lab and pulling or all those, that is the command line interface. The interface. This is interface, right? This interface
yeah,
is
yeah.
Bash.
Okay.
This interface is Bash. We are accessing the lab GitLab via Bash. So that's why it's called as Git Bash.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
build triggers are that is want to trigger the job. Okay. Build environments.
Okay.
So up to now it is not required here. It will require in very in technically. Okay. Builds
Okay.
like the add builds and add post build actions. Okay. So
Okay.
post build is both post build actions only and build as build actions only. Okay. By these
Okay.
6 tabs, we are building the job in Jenkins.
Okay.
We are
Okay.
building a
6 tabs.
job
Okay.
in Jenkins. Yeah. So I don't want to. I'll print a one job. I think you buy a echo command for
Okay.
sample. So that's why I given a sample. None.
Okay.
I
Okay.
select the source code management. I'm not going to select any code from the Git.
Okay.
Okay. So here you can see the add builds steps. You can see execute shell, invoke top Maven projects, invoke top level Maven projects. So why because Maven will support in behind the Jenkins. So to generate the war files,
Okay. Okay.
what I'll do,
Invoke.
I'll go for
Okay.
execute shell
Okay.
echo. Hmm, have just closed like this.
Okay.
Okay, apply and save it. This is just sample in this Jenkins dashboard only. I'm just building a sample job. I'll go build now. Build scheduled. No buildings are showing here. Yeah, I clicked on two times, so that's why two builds are
Okay.
got. See, you can see if we see the red mark, then the build got failure. If we see
Okay.
the
Okay.
green mark, then the job is successfully finished. So if we check on this, it is showing us that started by the user Sujit, running a system, building workspace. Where you are running this job, where live Jenkins workspaces, okay,
Okay.
or
Okay.
jobs. I told you yesterday that workspace and jobs. In two paths, we can see the our work, whatever the we are doing the jobs. Okay, this
Okay.
is executed in a bin bash shell. Okay, Jenkins path,
Okay.
and it is printed. Sujit Jenkins world. Sujit Jenkins world finished success.
Okay. Okay. So running, so building in a workspace means the workspace you selected. Okay. If you are selected
We
pipeline
are
means it
not.
will change.
No. Pipeline. See, pipeline. Whatever you are building your job, pipeline also it is job. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So those
Okay.
jobs will store some workspace only. Why? Because it's a work.
Okay. Okay.
Job is nothing but work. So work or job.
Okay.
In jobs or workspace. In two paths, we find our
Okay.
job, which is running.
Okay. It means in the workspace only you can find the jobs. Am I correct?
Yes, we can find job.
Okay.
What job I run? Sample 1 2 3.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is console
Okay.
output. Console output is nothing but
You have
okay
to check the logs.
what
Yeah. Yeah.
result has been it shown to us. Okay.
Okay.
What output are already run behind it the job. So we'll see in console output.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So back to the project.
Okay.
If you need to change
Yeah.
anything,
Yeah. Yeah.
modification, configure. You want to change anything, then we can change here like this. Go and change here. So this is a
Okay.
sample print only. Sample print only. So I have changed. I removed the word. Apply save. So next
Okay.
I have two jobs run, but I'll go for third job. Build scheduled. Third build has been done. You can
Okay.
see Sujit Jenkins.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is a sample print job only of freestyle. Sample
Okay.
print
Okay.
job only of freestyle. So how we can integrate Git? Okay. Did you know the Tomcat?
Okay.
Why we use
Yeah.
Tomcat?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. TOMCAT is for web service, right? Yeah.
Yeah, web server tool it is. So so I want to run a small Java HTML print code. Okay.
Okay.
So I just run the same print in Jenkins itself only. So how the end user will access? End user will access by this IP only. So I don't want in the same instance. I don't want to push into the hung state. Okay, everything I don't want to do in the
Okay.
master of Jenkins dashboard only. So I want to run. I just trigger the jobs in Jenkins, but how many jobs I will going to trigger? Those jobs will be run into the web servers. So that's for
Okay.
that I need to integrate the web server with Jenkins, right?
Again. Okay. Okay. So you need to install the plugin.
Yeah, we need to install the plugin and we need to integrate. web server with Jenkins.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah. Okay.
manage Jenkins, manage plugins. Okay, deploy container plugin. We have to,
For Tomcat. Okay.
yeah, for TOMCAT. Available one. Deploy to container. Selected this plugin.
Okay.
Why? Because these plugins will help to help to
Okay.
give the war files to generate the war files in post build actions.
To generate the war
Install
files
without
for.
restart.
Okay.
Yes, pending.
Can you repeat once again what is deploy to container
This
is help to generate the war
plugin
file?
will uh, supports to generate the, yes.
Yeah, your voice
Okay,
was
in build
breaking.
actions
Can you
there will be
repeat once
not
again?
no option will present. Okay,
Hello, Rajini.
okay.
Actually, your voice was
If we
breaking.
install this
Can you repeat once
plugin,
again?
then only whatever the war file will generate. Is it okay now?
Yeah, now okay. Yeah.
Is my screen is visible to you?
Yeah, yes, it's visible. Can you able to hear me now?
Okay. Yeah. I'm able to hear you. Okay, what I'm saying, deploy to container plugin will helps to generate the war files. Okay, whatever the war files will generate by the Maven, we are redirecting. We don't have a, in post build actions there is a no option to redirect to the path, which is var or air file jar files will be generated in the path. So then only after installing this plugin we can have the option to redirect the path to the Maven generated files.
Okay. So
Okay,
redirect the Maven generated file to Tomcat or container. Am I correct? That's the
yes
purpose of
yes
deploy to container.
yes, I'll show you. uh, Configure. So here in post build actions, before I shown to forget to show to you, before this option will not available. Deploy war air to container. Okay,
Okay.
after
Okay.
installation of this deploy to container only, this option will be available.
No, actually, Rajini, your screen is not moving. It's still. I can see only the package installed. Whatever you saying, right? I can't see anything.
What is this?
The screen hung.
Is it now visible?
Yeah. Can you shake mouse? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now can.
Yeah. See, in build, in post build
Okay.
actions, I see you can see deploy war slash air to a container. Okay.
Okay.
So this option will not present before I'm not installed this plugin. Okay. So after installation
Okay.
of this plugin only, this option will come in this box. Because
Okay.
of this box only, because of this option only, we can generate the war file which Maven has been generated. So what container? What is container? Why container means container? Okay, is nothing but we are
Okay.
calling a Tomcat into Jenkins.
Okay.
In Docker also we call container
Yeah,
in
Docker,
every
Kubernetes, all container
method.
only.
Yes, okay, container. So what I'll do, I need a web server, right? I'm going to create a Tomcat web server.
Okay.
Look, I want to show you one thing. Whenever you're installing Tomcat, that need to be installed in same availability zone of which Jenkins has been where we Jenkins where it is created availability zone,
Okay. Okay.
because in different availability zone then these two instances will not communicate.
Means the available zones. Can you tell once again what is that?
What I'm saying, you have installed
Yeah.
Jenkins in 1A AP South 1A availability zone, then the
Okay.
Tomcat server also need to install in the same availability zone.
Okay. Okay.
So if you go for another availability zone, the communication may not happen between these two instances.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's a different zone. It's a, like a different segment of network. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Where it is availability zone. APC subnet. Okay. I think I have installed an AP 1A only as the default one. So what I'll do, I'll go launch instance, select configure, no preference, AP. Sorry, yaar. Okay, no problem. Can you allow me 1 minute, Sujit? Then I'll install Jenkins once again. I think I have created in no
Okay. Okay.
default availability zone. Hmm?
So you install the Jenkins in different zone. Am I correct?
Yes, yes. In default zone. So if we need to select the zone first.
Okay.
No worries. It will take hardly. I will install very fastly.
Okay. Okay.
So what I'll do, configure. I select to 1 availability zone. Just two. Add tags, security group, all traffic. Review and launch. Maybe skip it. Launch. So what? This one. Okay. Instances. Gen Tom. this one. Downloads as paste. Yes. So and go for this one Java installation.
So after Java, you will be installing the Tomcat also, right?
Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I'm installing Jenkins right now. Again, I'm
Okay.
installing Jenkins. So for Jenkins, we have to install Git also. Okay. Why? Because
Okay. Okay.
it will pull the repositories
Actually,
from
why
the Git.
you installing reinstalling Jenkins instead of Tom? You said Tomcat only, not there, right?
So what I'm doing, why when I think I have already installed Jenkins, right? I have installed Jenkins in default availability zone, no preference availability zone. So I didn't
Oh,
selected the
okay.
zone. Okay, so that's why I'm creating I once again in the same zone. No problem. It will take hardly 5 minutes. Just give me 5 minutes,
Okay. So
two three
which zone
minutes.
you selected actually now?
1A zone in Mumbai region, 1A zone.
Oh, okay. So it should be no that zone only to make you to connect to means Tomcat.
Yes, yes, yes.
So instead of that, you can install a Linux server and install Tomcat, right?
Install of.
Now instead of reinstalling Jenkins, you can install the Tomcat, right? And that same zone.
So I'm doing that only.
Okay. No, earlier there was you install Jenkins, right? And the same and the on that zone itself you can install the Tomcat, right?
No,
Then
no,
it
no.
will
It will.
communicate, right?
No, no, no. It will not communicate. Default zone it is.
Oh, default zone won't communicate.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Install. EP. So meanwhile, I'll install this one. Tom. Comment. I'll install Java for Tomcat also.
Okay.
So I need to download the container of Tomcat 9. Tomcat 9 download. Tomcat 9 software download. I will download this tar file. Copy link address. I will copying this link address. Okay. Go here and sudo v get test. So I have downloaded this one. So what I'll do, I'll have a one file that is Apache Tomcat the star.jl file. So I need to extract this file in Linux. Okay, for extraction
Okay.
of this Linux file, xvf Need to give this one paste. I have extracted. The extracted one is this one, blue color, and this not extracted one is this one. CD have to go in this paste. Okay, so we have in this. So we have this many directories in this. We have to give full permission of this chmod 777
Okay.
web apps.
Okay.
Web apps is the endpoint within the web server that it will show the content. Okay, web apps.
Okay.
Okay, then I need to give some. First, I will ready this Tomcat. Okay, I need to
Okay.
give some permissions in this Tomcat web server. Okay, so for that,
Okay.
what I want to do, I need to log in into slash cd web apps manager and meta inf. Okay, I'll
Okay.
show you this path where it
So
is.
I need these
Web
history
apps.
commands. Okay. The Tomcat
Yeah,
history
sure.
commands.
So in web apps, there will be a, if you go into the web apps and ls, then you will get a manager directory, and in manager you enter and you will get a ls, then meta nf directory you will get. In that, okay, in this you have context.xml file,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. WebEx. Yeah.
context.xml file.
Okay.
How to I'm going
Okay.
to opening this wave file. So I need to delete this value tag and allow tag. Okay, so I need to
Okay.
delete this value tag and allow tag. You need to do very carefully. Why? Because anything space and every letter is mismatched, or you have any done mistakes, then it will not allow.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'll do, escape
Okay.
shift colon w exclamation mark. Okay, I have saved this. Okay,
Okay.
so I need to log in once again to this. Okay, I think it's,
So the context.xml only.
it will value tag allow tag will not give you the protocol license for to access in a web server. So that's why we
Okay.
are removing those. Okay,
Oh, that's
so
still moving. Okay.
in this, yeah, in this conf file, I need to go in this conf file directory. In this directory, I have Tomcat users.xml, not XSD, XML. VI Tomcat users XML. You have to
Okay.
open this by VM and come down under downside and this arrow escape O. I think in insert mode escape O. Then I'll entering into the under this arrow. You have to copy these three lines. Okay,
Okay.
paste here. So here you have to mention the users manager -GUI. Why? Because graphical user interface, we are accessing this one Tomcat web server. So for that, we are giving a username and password, that is manager hyphen script. I think script spelling right.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So I'm going to give username as a password and password as a Tomcat. Username and password as a Tomcat only.
Okay.
Tomcat.
Role name is manager GUI, manager script, right?
Yeah. No. Role name. Those are role names. When you are accessing a manager tab in the web server, then it will ask you, it will prompt you to ask the username and password.
Okay.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Hello. Hmm. I mean. No. I mean. MNG. Yeah. Sorry, Sujit. Actually, see,
Yeah, yeah. It's okay.
we have to give this one.
Yeah, yeah.
So after escape and shift colon WQ exclamation mark enter. So we have saved this one.
Okay. So
Okay.
just I want to check with you, Rajini. So do you have any document what all editing in which files? Because in history it won't be there what you add, what edit, right? Do you have any notepad or anything for how you're setting up the
Yeah,
Tomcat?
yeah, I will give you the notepad. I will give you the notepad. Okay,
Okay.
don't worry.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay. So
Yeah.
after I need to, so you can see here bin is there. You need to go into the bin. Okay.
Okay.
start startup.sh. You are starting this web server in shell. Okay, Tomcat started.
Okay.
Tomcat started. So I'll go here. Okay. So Tomcat, I'll select IP address. I'll give here and I'll go 8080. I got right. I got this
Yeah, the
is a
page you got.
Tomcat
Yes. So
server.
you haven't
Okay.
added any
So
web.xml server.xml file, nothing. You edited only context.xml and one more file, right?
and yeah, Tomcat users.xml.
User.xml. Okay.
So what I'll do, we have pending Jenkins, right? So Jenkins. So I just installed this what exiting on user command means. Okay. Sudo yum install Jenkins. Because of this, not a class is doing. So meanwhile, I log in into the Tomcat
Okay.
manager app. Manager app. So it is asking here Tomcat, Tomcat sign.
Okay.
Okay, we have signed up. So here, this is the HTML page of the Tomcat application manager. All the code, the content which you are running the web server to reach the end user will be present in this web page only. So
Okay.
here we
Okay.
don't have a web apps directory. The jobs will we are running jobs deploying jobs under web apps in the Tomcat server. So the section is not available here. The web apps will do
Okay.
web
Okay.
apps by integrating the Git. Okay,
Okay.
once
So you're
we
integrating the
done
web apps, right?
what
We are integrating the web apps.
yeah, web apps with Jenkins.
Okay.
Okay, what is this icon?
System CTL
No,
start
no,
Jenkins. System CTL or service start Jenkins. Either anything. Service Jenkins restart. Yeah. Start. Service Jenkins start.
this is service
Service
Jenkins start.
Jenkins start. Yeah.
Every time I forget this command only.
Yeah. Yeah. Because that's the Linux one. That's why they changed the method. Yeah.
Yeah, it was start. Okay, what I'll
Okay.
do, I'll go Jenkins and I'll open new tab. I'll paste and go 8080. So it will be prompting me. Come on, come on, come on. Did you done this integrating the time card with this one? Have you
I did only Docker, only CACD with the Dockers, Maven, only that's it. And I tried to
Oh,
do with the Kubernetes, but it was failing. So that's why I was looking for trainer. Yeah.
హలో. ఆహా, వద్దు వద్దు వద్దు, వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడు తను. ఆ, అవునా, రా మరి. హలో. ఉమ్. Sorry, Sujit. We have already installed Jenkins, but in hurriedly, I just
Yeah, yeah.
selected the default one.
It's okay. It's okay. I understood it. Sometimes it happens.
In the
So,
last
so
I have completed the batch. It was also some late. Students are late join and now and
okay,
late. I have 7:45 another batch. They will join at 7:50.
okay, okay.
Hmm.
So, just I want to check with you, Rajani. So,
Hmm.
what will be the next three class we are going to take? Like, if TOMCAT, one is
And
TOMCAT.
one more request, Sujit, that tomorrow night I am traveling to my hometown because in Hyderabad it is Dasara.
Okay, okay. Yeah, tomorrow we'll have a break. Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days, and from Saturday I will continue.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Then I'm okay. I also need a break. Yeah. So,
you
but
are basically
today,
from.
yeah, I actually am from Kerala, but my brother city was Tamil Nadu, so I know Tamil, Malayalam.
Okay, okay,
I worked in Bangalore, IBM.
okay, okay.
So you're working in Hyderabad, right?
Yeah, I'm working in Hyderabad now. I'm moving to the Bangalore.
Oh, Bangalore. Oh, wow.
Yeah. So if you have in your company also refer me if you have any vacancy there.
Yeah, sure. Here, DevOps is a hot cake now.
Yeah. So I'll select this freestyle project now,
Okay,
automation one, as I given the
okay.
name of the job. So before that, we need to deploy container, right?
Yeah.
Plugin, sorry, plugin. Deploy to container install without restart.
Okay.
Installing.
You apply in LinkedIn, Rajini,
Hmm.
for Singapore, right? You can apply in LinkedIn. You will get many calls.
Okay. Okay. Will do. I will do that one also.
Okay,
Go for the dashboard. Okay. So I need to
okay,
configure my job now. I need to configure my job. Configure. So I'll go Git source code management. I'm not going for the general jobs. Okay. I'm just going for
okay,
integrating the Git and Git. So I have a small code from the Git. See, this is my web.
okay.
A small HTML print code. Okay. So I just copied this URL. I went. I'll paste here. I don't want. I'm not going to select this credentials of GitHub. I'm just giving directly. Okay. So this build branches is master only and master branch in the Git. Okay. So build triggers. I'm not going to giving any triggers right now. I will once we build the job, we'll trigger later. So
Okay.
in post build
So
actions,
you no need to give any build trigger, right?
we no need to give also. If we give manually now build, then it will be build. We don't want to click any manuals, then we go for the build triggers.
Build trigger. Build trigger is scheduling, right?
Yes. So add build setup. I'll go for invoke top level Maven targets. Maven targets. What Maven will do?
Okay,
Uh, what Maven will do? Maven will generate clean package.
okay,
Uh, clean package. Okay, we'll do clean package. And next,
okay,
in post build actions, we'll go for deploy war or air file container. Okay,
okay.
in
Here only
Maven,
with this purpose we install the plugin, right? Yeah.
yes. In Maven will store all generated war air files in one directory, that is slash star star dot var. Okay, I'm just target slash star dot var. In target file,
Okay,
Maven will store the packages. Okay, the whatever the code will ship into the package, that is generated the package server or jar.
okay,
Okay, so we are generating the war file. So what is my path? What is my name of that? My web. I'll give here my web. So what container I called? I called Tomcat 9, right? I called
okay,
Tomcat 9. So I need to give credentials.
So
of
the
TOMCAT.
path only you're giving my web, that is enough.
Yeah, this is enough.
How it
And
can
here
go and
we,
search where is the, yeah.
no. Here it is we given the path slash star dot var my web. Okay, and we have
Okay.
selected the container of Tomcat, and we Jenkins credential providers. Okay, here you have to give the user of Tomcat. Username is Tomcat,
Okay.
password is Tomcat, right?
Yeah.
Tomcat, close Tomcat. Okay, I need to give this URL to communicate with Jenkins. Communicate with this Jenkins, I need to give this URL up to 8080 port.
Okay.
Okay, okay. I'll go for apply and save. I have given communication between Tomcat web server, Jenkins, and Jenkins. I have called the code from remote repository of GitHub.
GitHub. But in GitHub, right, the web app, where it's calling the web app. In GitHub, where in my web, right, where you keep the my web app, how the web
Yeah,
app is going to
see,
deploy in the,
in my web, SRC, in main, that is just Java, in Java home my web controllers, we have a main that index.jsp. Index.jsp will trigger and redirecting to your code to show the output. Main, okay, web app. See, web app
okay,
index.jsp. So what I written here, Java home app version Rajni.
okay,
I just a small HTML one, or whatever you. If you
okay,
have a Python code, you can paste here. If you have a .NET code, or you have a Node.js code, anything, so you can just give here. So I just given
okay.
the
So
HTML
because
small few
I
code.
have a doubt on this. From source main web app, this whole complete folders will be deployed in the Tomcat.
Yeah. This all
Okay,
okay.
okay. After
So
the execute the job, will come to know. I think so. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay,
So this one I just given into the Jenkins. So what I'll do, I'll go for build now this job. Build now project automation one. Build now.
okay,
Build schedule. We'll see what will happen in the build. Will be a success or maybe fail. If we done any mistake,
okay.
we will fail. Why it not giving automation build delay 0 seconds. Build schedule. Why not showing us bills? Yeah, we failed bills. Why we failed bills?
Okay,
Started by user, running system, Java, invoke top level Maven target, mark build as a failure. Okay, invoke top level Maven targets, mark build as a failure. Okay, I think I done Jenkins. This is Jenkins, right? In Jenkins, I haven't installed Maven.
okay. Oh,
So
Maven, you
without
haven't installed. Yes, yes.
Yeah, without installing
Okay.
the Maven,
You
how
install
it
the Git, right?
could be?
Yeah.
I installed Git, but I haven't installed this Maven.
Okay. Then in Maven, if you install, you need to put in the profile file also, right?
No, nothing. We can call our by links like this.
So can you use these commands, this thing?
Yeah, yeah. I'll give you. I'll forward to you in the WhatsApp or in the
Okay.
mails.
To Gmail, better in Gmail.
Yeah, yes.
Also, whatever you did in Tomcat also, right? Something you edit contact XML and the one more file
Okay,
here.
okay.
User that.
Yes. So I installed Maven. Okay. So what
Okay.
I'll do. Okay. What I'll do. I need to stop and start the Jenkins. Okay. Stop and start the Jenkins. Service stop Jenkins. Jenkins stop, right?
Yeah, service Jenkins stop. Yeah.
So service start. We will go here, refresh it. It so I have automation. Now I'll build now. Build schedule. We'll see the output. You can see downloading central repository Maven. Maven lifecycle is running. See,
Okay. In this pipeline,
simply
you haven't mentioned about Maven, right? How it's going to Maven? It's via Git. It's calling, or where you mention in Maven. A Maven clean package, something is given, right? That's what.
yeah, Maven clean package I given. I think you taken already class. You told me that he haven't told you about the Maven.
Yeah, yeah. They told the Maven, but normally what we do means we have in the Git Jenkins file. In the Jenkins file, they used to write like
Oh,
one by one. They install
not like
Maven
that.
plugin.
He go for very short methods. I think so. He went for very short methods. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not
yes.
like the file to Maven call. Okay. Sometimes you need to install by manually in the instance Maven. You need to call this like the latest version daily. Daily every container will updates, right? How Jenkins updated, how Linux package will update. Like that, the same Maven also
Okay,
will upgrade. So you have to call from
okay,
the
okay,
online to the manual local instance. You need to know
okay,
about the
okay,
troubleshooting, not like to upload the file and call from GitLab to in a container directly. So it will install directly.
okay.
Nothing to worry about it. So
So this one,
then you
where you
can't know, right?
installing now?
I mean, I just take the comments from the online. Okay, so I just copied the link and I given sudo wget. That's it.
Okay, okay. So in a Jenkins now, what happening? That's what you're running the job, right?
Okay, so in Jenkins, I show you it is running on Jenkins only, right? In Jenkins, what I told you that where we had deployed plugin the deploy container, okay? But I have
Okay,
a code in GitHub, okay? I have a code in GitHub. I have a I given a URL in Jenkins, okay? But
Okay.
This package where the war and here file is generated, where the files are generated, where the build tool is involved, where the building is involved. I'm running directly job in the Jenkins, but build is not involved, right? So that's
Yeah, yeah,
why in top level manage, I selected the command in build. In that, I given the directory name of the directory path of the Maven, but I haven't installed the Maven.
yeah, yeah, yes.
So that's why
Then it failed. So again you reinstall.
what?
So after
See,
that,
you can
yeah, is
see
it
here
success
it is
now?
showing you. Here it is showing you that error step deploy war air to container aborted due to
Due
exception.
to exception.
Java IO expecting and globe partner but saw slash star dot var. See and Apache urge manual type fileset dot html syntax. We'll refer this one. Slash star dot var. Hmm, I think I'm giving a wrong path. Let me.
Yeah, that's what I also have a doubt. How it's go and select.
1 minute. Hmm, let me. I'm just trying to figure
Okay.
it. What happened? Everything is going on well. What happened? think to run on this. Let me go dashboard. Job configure. Master repository. Clean package. Package spelling is right? P S C
Yeah, yeah,
K
correct,
G.
correct.
Yeah, right. And I
Yeah.
think
Actually,
it's a error. It's a,
searching
let
star
me.
bar only, it's path only, it's a problem.
Yeah. So I just given the short path. Let me try with the target. What will go fail or will now? Oh yeah. Okay. Success now. See, you can
Okay,
see console output is success.
okay.
Okay. I think I just given short path. I didn't mention the target.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So
yeah,
what
quickly,
we'll
can we
do?
do? Okay. Can
What
you
we'll
go? Can
do?
you
Go
go
to the
only 1 second? Can you go to config?
config where? Okay. Config.
Yeah, can config. What are the options you selected? I take a picture or screen.
What?
What are the options you selected? You selected Git, general Git.
Git. Okay. I taken a URL. Okay.
Oh, what? The
And
URL.
URL of
Can
the
you go?
code from the
Can you
GitHub.
go? Yeah, can you little bit go? Okay. You will be sending these videos, right? Okay, from there I take.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Come down. What is other thing?
Hmm.
After this
Say,
Git URL, because
Git. Let me
URL.
finish.
Okay,
Sujit already 7:55 it is. Okay. I have another class. So
oh,
just
okay.
let me explain you very fast. Just go through the video. This is
Okay,
Git URL given.
okay,
It is
okay,
in master branch. Okay. In
okay,
Git in
okay,
master branch only. It is in
okay, okay,
master branch. Master branch.
okay,
Okay.
okay. The
So
con, yeah. Then,
then build triggers. I haven't triggers anything. Build
okay,
environment. I didn't select anything. I'd
okay,
in build invoke top level Maven targets. Clean
okay.
package.
Clean packages.
Okay.
Okay,
In post building actions, var array files target slash this path. Okay.
okay.
And context path will be name of that our project in GitHub. Okay. Container will be 9 and the URL. Apply
Credential, I
and
haven't
save.
selected anything, right?
We have selected the credential.
Credential.
TOMCAT
Okay.
credentials. Okay.
So what is
So
that? TOMCAT? Where?
credentials.
Okay, okay,
Okay. In manager, see Tomcat web server. I didn't have a web apps section. I'll refresh it. I got web apps. My web. Sorry, my web.
oh, okay.
Okay.
So in that
In
all
my
folder
web,
will be there, right?
what?
Okay. So all the some many folders was there, right? That and all will be
Yeah,
in the
yeah, yeah.
deployed to
Here you
server, right?
see example docs. In docs, you have all Tomcat documentation. Example host manager,
Okay.
manager. In this my web, we have our code that is print of HTML item, Java home app version Resni.
Okay. In Git, what was under my web, those files will be in the, it will be deployed in the Tomcat server, right? Am I correct?
Yes. Those files only. See, these all files will deployed in Tomcat. Okay, by
Tomcat.
integrating of continuous integration with Auto Jenkins. Okay,
Okay.
in these
So now
files.
if we go and see the Tomcat server, this all will be there, right? Source,
Hmm.
everything, these folders will be there, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
So this
can we
is
show the Tomcat server? For just 1 second, the Tomcat, the command mode.
comments. And
Yeah, the shell, the Tomcat server, right? This is the Tomcat server, right? So where is the
yeah,
my web here? My web or source directory, which path it's going?
I didn't get you.
No, the my web and the source somewhere in this server it's get deployed, right? That's what I want to see the where it get deployed in here in this actual server. The my web source all folders.
You mean to ask like this my web is where it has been
Yeah,
gave,
yeah.
right?
Where is the location here? Yeah, that's what.
Okay. Let me.
Inside the web apps or
Apps.
I think there is a folder my web. You clear this?
In my web only. My web only we have.
No, you ls. Yeah, there's a my web. CD my web.
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. CD my web
ls.
in
Okay,
LS I
okay.
have given and meta info web info index.jsp. Let's see index.jsp.
This
See,
the
this
one
is my
which
code.
came from Git, right? This is what
Yeah,
which you
this
already
is
had in
from
Git.
GitHub.
It's deployed here. Am I correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is the one which the code is imported from the Git.
This
So
is
this
what?
is
Okay, okay.
actually why index you I think you know in cloud that index path will be redirects the DNS and targets. You know?
Okay. So index will redirect the targets here.
Yeah, targets to show the output which is running or a dynamic code or static web hosting it is whatever it will redirects to target. Static
Okay,
web
okay,
hosting or dynamic web hosting, whatever it may be.
okay.
Okay. So this is how we can run.
CD space. You haven't given the space. CD space.
Oh, so what I'll do, uh, automation configure. So this all steps I will. Can you go through the video and do it?
Yeah, I got.
I'll
Yeah, yeah, I'll do it.
I'll
But I need the
forward you
Git.
the
The
notepad.
Git one. Yeah. You send me the Tomcat notepad, Tomcat what and all you edited, and Maven
Yes.
installation, Jenkins installation, and this your Git. Also, I need a Git file so that I can fork your Git.
Yeah, I'll give you the fork. I will give you my Git URL. Just fork. Go and fork it.
Yeah.
Where is history?
Thanks, Rajini. Today it was useful. Rajini, also, what you edited in two file, right? That also the context.xml and Tomcat user.xml.
Yeah. I'll mention. See in this class only. You can see here. So in this contact.xml, you need to remove value line, okay,
Okay,
and allow line.
okay, okay,
Okay, is it clear here?
okay, fine.
And next.
Yeah,
In
clear, clear.
TOMCAT, I think I have already maybe where it is, where it is, where it is, where it is. So I'll give you that one. I think I
Okay,
will
okay,
forward this notepad to you. In where it is TOMCAT, this here,
okay, okay,
manager, GUI, manager, then username, password. Okay, username, password. You must be specifying between these double quotes only. Okay.
okay. But so is this the one? I want the actual one. So by seeing this,
Yeah, I will give you actual one.
okay,
Or we
okay. This is
can
for
right now
understanding.
only.
Okay, okay,
No problem. Right now I will do only.
okay, okay. So we install only Maven, right? But you did you in config Jenkins configuration? Did you call Maven anywhere else?
Maven I call in Jenkins, right?
Maven you called in Jenkins configuration
In I called Maven in Jenkins, not
in
Jenkins
Jenkins.
in Maven. See, is it okay? See, I paste
Yeah,
you
okay,
role
okay,
name match GI. This one.
okay,
Okay. So just practice this Tomcat. So
okay,
how
okay.
see
And
like this number of Tomcat servers are nodes to Jenkins master.
where it is in Git master.
No. These are all Tomcat. I have only one Tomcat server now. Okay. Like
Okay,
this,
okay,
I have two or three or four. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 10 web servers I have in an environment. So I have only Jenkins
okay,
master one. So these all
okay.
Tomcat servers are nodes and my Jenkins instance is master.
Oh, this
This is
Tomcat
my
is a
master.
nodes. Okay,
Tomcats are all are nodes.
okay,
That is the
okay.
master slave architecture.
Okay, okay. Now I got it. Okay. So the Tomcat container is called as an slave.
Slaves, nodes.
Okay,
Slaves are nodes.
okay, okay.
Okay, you got it. The
Yeah,
same
got it, got it.
kind, all 10 instances are there. In between Jenkins and in between this all 10, we are integrating Ansible, HCM in between.
Okay, okay,
Okay, we don't want all these
okay,
10 Tomcat servers. Okay, we don't want all these 10 Tomcat server. Instead of 10, I want in two servers only, that is which having a hardware requirements very big. So I go for the Docker. Directly, no Ansible, nothing.
Docker.
Jenkins Docker. Two servers only.
Okay,
So I don't want to
okay,
Docker
okay.
also. Docker also having some not self-healing features and all. So I want to be very fast and very deployments, very continuous deployments in a very fast that will
Yeah,
support for the any
orchestration. Yeah.
environment. Go for the Kubernetes.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
So
okay,
this is the CS series. Okay. We'll do this all
okay,
in coming classes.
okay, okay. Rajini, you send me the Maven installation and Jenkins also so that I will practice next 2 days.
Okay.
And your Git URL.
Git, yeah, I'll share you my idea of Git. Okay, you can go and fork it. Okay.
Okay, okay. So,
Okay.
so you will be copying the
So
same notepad or different notepad for Maven, all those things?
I will share you on the same notepad. Okay, I will mention the sections there for Jenkins, for Tomcat, like that. Okay.
Maven also. Yeah.
Maven also.
Okay, okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah. So
Okay.
I will practice this next 2 days. Okay.
Okay.